friend. Okay, let's let her outside. Take your friend for a walk.
Come on.
Here we go. Oh, someone's got lots of hugs.
Who wants to give you a kiss? She just stops there. Alee doesn't like hugs.
Come on, everybody likes hugs. Do you like hugs, Al?
She's pissed.
Come on, Al.
Come on. That's your friend.
There we go.
Already.
Got your froggy backpack.
Come on. Alee. It's not making a move.
Okay. Show me those angry eyes, grumpy cat. Are you grumpy cat? What's that? The police are coming for you. Hide the meth.
You're being strangled.
Hide your Rasta Frog. Get Rasta Frog inside, quick! The police are coming. Come on, inside, quickly, quickly, quickly! Bring in Rasta Frog, quickly!
Come on.
Uh-oh.
The birds are coming.
She's stuck.
They know you have it. Quickly.
Quickly,
Retreat.
get inside. Bring Rasta Frog inside, quickly. The police are coming.
Run.
Lard ass, move.
Run. Run.
She seems to be stuck.
No movement. Run.
She's afraid of frog strangulation. Come on. Well, here's a backpack. It's just a backpack. Keep your books in there. Whoa, she's mad now. Take a frog for a walk. You don't seem to have a plan.
That's not a good hiding spot.
Yeah.
They're gonna find you.
Okay, we'll take the backpack off. There we go.
It's funny.